Hey, it's Eran here doing a tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create an outro video for your YouTube videos. And I'm going to be using an example of using this for videos that I'm creating for promoting Sunny landing pages. Okay, so this is actually a very simple example, and I'm doing this for Sunny landing pages, and I'll show you how you could do this too. So this is again in a tool which you would have heard about from me already, or you will hear in the future, called Viddyoze. Okay, amazing tool. You've got business account, in terms of the different options. You've got a marketplace for all the different ideas and options. It's really simple to use. Hover your mouse. Oh, sir, first of all, go to the category, choose what you want. In this case, I'm looking for an outro. That's what I'm showing you. And let's go here. Boom. That's what it looks like. Okay? And then what you can do, I love this one, so I'm going to use this. So you can click customize. Okay? Now, it will then show you instructions on how this works. So first of all, it's 10 seconds. Okay? You'll need an image, you'll need text, and there'll be an audio. Now, let's customize. Usually there's instructions on how to use it, but we'll just play around with it and then you'll see. So let's click customize. It will take us there. First of all, let's see. So you can see the video, the screenshot refers to the beginning of the video. Okay, so there's two images. Image number one, image number two. Okay, so let's pick one and let's pick the second one and see how that goes. I'm gonna pick this one. Click choose. This one. Click choose. Now, click the next step. Now look at that. You have to really add a lot of things here. So YouTube video title. So let's just follow. See, this is a bit more complicated, right? Okay, so this will be the logo, which we've already done. And then click the like button. This will be automatically, I think. Yep, that will be automatic. Write a comment. Oh no, it will show these ones. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, good. So, Sunny landing pages. YouTube video title. Tutorials. Tutorial. Let's see. Yeah, the video title. Okay, so let's how to why Sunny landing pages. Why choose Sunny landing pages? Okay, great. Video YouTube channel, so that's what we'll say. Okay, I got it now. Now subscribers, so this is the number, so let's choose the subscribers. We could just pick something. I mean, we can make it realistic, we can make it unrealistic, it doesn't really matter. Here you go, 32,000. Number of video views, 589,012. There you go. Number of video likes, 3,489. Oops, I just opened my calendar by accident. Number of video dislikes, 7. 7 haters. Like this video, yep. Leave a comment, question. This is awesome. Learned heaps. This is awesome. Subscribe now. Okay, good. Next step. Now it will now render a live preview. So it will take just a few seconds. Boom. So we show you this. See, this is the numbers that we put here. 7 dislikes, how many likes? The YouTube subscribers. The comments. Why choose Sunny landing pages. And subscribe. There you go. Let's render this video and see what it looks like. This is not the best preview, but it's a very long video with a lot of variations. So anyway, it's okay. You'll have to render it and you might have to redo it. But hopefully this is good enough. Now this is really important for your video marketing, to leave a call of action for them to like, comment, and subscribe to your YouTube channel. So it's a great way to make your videos more professional. Okay, really good way to do it. Definitely I will leave a link for you on how to get videos as well, so you can actually create all these types of tutorials. This is so good. It's such a great tool. So you'll have all that available for you as well. And then there's different plans, you know, in terms of how many templates you have available to you, what type of templates. There's a marketplace for templates if you want to buy individual ones specifically. You can categorize, you can filter by how many seconds, right? You can categorize by templates. You can categorize by sorting by feedback count, feedback score, popular or oldest. You can search for a template as well. And if you look here on the categories, there's a lot of stuff you could do. You could pick up extended ones, intro, live action, logo specifically, social media, call to action. There's really a lot of options, okay? So you can use this in your video marketing, IGTV, Instagram TV, or Instagram in general, YouTube, Vimeo, any other marketing that you're using. If you're uploading videos to Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever. So look, video is king, absolutely. So definitely I recommend videos for sure. I'm just letting this render because I really want you to see the final thing. So it's literally going to be 1 second. It says here, we'll let you know when the video is ready and email you to download links. So you do get an email every time. I believe I got an email as well. Let's see. I think I did. Oh well, it's taking too long. My email's loading very slowly. But anyway, I do get an email, so anyway, here you go. Let's play, let's see what it looks like. I think I messed something up, and I'll show you exactly what I think I messed up. So let's go back. I didn't actually type. It looks like it says like this video, but actually, you see this is white. I actually didn't write like this video. So I need to write, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. There you go. Now it will be good, and these things which I missed out on will not be left out. Okay, so this is really important. You pay attention to that, just like I didn't, basically. But yeah, now if I render it, it will then be fine. Now let's do a next step. It was still in gray, that's why it was just showing recommendations, and therefore when you saw the video it was actually missing a few things. See, now it says like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Now this is blank. I have a suspicion that it's blank for a reason. Let's see. Leave a comment, question. Let's just do leave a comment. And let's see if it's gonna present it. It's gonna render again. Give it a second. Like this video. Still doesn't show the comments, so I'm gonna assume that it's gonna work fine. So just so you know what I'm gonna do, I actually want to say leave a comment or question, because I want people to ask questions on this particular tutorials if they've got anything. Okay, so in this case, what's really important is that once I render, you're not gonna see the final version, okay? But once I render, what's important is that it will actually show if this is gonna display, and if not, I'll have to make it shorter because there's a limit. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully you learned from this. Definitely click the link below to get check out the videos and so on. And yeah, go ahead and create your own outros for your YouTube videos. You're gonna love it. Okay, thanks. Bye.